Cultural heritage of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Culture and tradition of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir is a diverse blend of various cultures of people from different religions and social practices of Muslim, Hindu, Sikh and Buddhist, and have created a composite culture of the state which is called Kashmiriyat. Kashmiri comprises of Kashmiri Pundits, Kashmiri Muslims, Gurjars and Rajasthani Rajputs. Kashmiri weddings traditions are full of joyful and traditional ceremonies. Emphasis is also laid into matching the background, status and reputation of the family of the prospective match. Costumes of Jammu and Kashmir. Costumes of Jammu and Kashmir are well known for their embroidery and intricate designs, which reflect the richness of the culture and landscape of the region. The form of clothing is designed to counter the cold climate of the region. Most of the garments are made of wool, silk designed with intricate embroideries, and cotton. The Ferran is a prominent attire for Kashmiri women. The Ferran is worn by women, usually has zari, embroidery on the hemline, around pockets, and mostly on the collar area. Cuisines in Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri food is a blend of Kashmiri Pandits, Muslims, and Mughal styles. The Dogras are Hindu, so they are mainly vegetarian, eating a staple of rice, wheat, and beans. They take plenty of vegetables, but the favorite dish is the hak or karam sag. In the cities, mutton is consumed in large quantities, but in the village, it is still a luxury reserved only for festive occasions. Although they are inhabitants of a cold country, Kashmiris loathe the use of intoxicating drinks. Kashmiri pulao is a common dish for Kashmiri vegetarians. Also, spices, curd, and condiments are common ingredients of Kashmiri cuisine. Firni is a sweet delicacy of Jammu and Kashmir. Music and dances of Jammu and Kashmir. Due to Kashmir's close proximity to Central Asia, Eastern Asia, and Southern Asia, a unique blend of music has evolved encompassing the music of the three regions. But overall, Kashmiri Valley music is closer to Central Asian music, using traditional Central Asian instruments and musical scales, while music from Jammu is similar to that of North India. The Damhal is a famous dance in the Kashmir Valley, performed by men of the Wattal region. The women perform the Rauf, another traditional folk dance. Famous tourist attraction. In Jammu and Kashmir, the most important tourist places are the Kashmir Valley, Srinagar, the Mughal Gardens, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Jammu. Some areas require a special permit for non-Indians to visit. The tourism economy in the Kashmir Valley was the worst hit due to militancy in the state. However, the holy shrines of Jammu continue to remain popular pilgrimage and tourism destinations. Every year, thousands of Hindu pilgrims visit the holy shrines of Vaishno Devi and Amarnath, which has had a significant impact on the state's economy. Art and culture and lifestyle of Ladakh. The languages spoken in Ladakh are Ladakhi, Tibetan, Urdu, Balti. However, Ladakhi and Tibetan are used by the locals in their everyday. The scriptures of the languages are displayed on the screen. Costume of Ladakh. The men in Ladakh wear a long woolen robe which is known as gaucha in their local language. Women wear a similar kind of robe which is called kuntop and bok. Perak, a long hat, is also worn by both men and women in Ladakh. Cuisine of Ladakh. Most of the dishes in Ladakh are prepared from the local produce, which consists of pumpkins, beans, potatoes, beetroot, and barley. Rice, mutton, and chicken dishes are also prepared along with yak meat, but this is mostly limited to the winter season. The influence of Tibetan culture is also visible in the most famous dishes of Ladakh, which are Tentuk, Skew, Momo, and Tukpa. Gurgurcha and Cha Nugarmo are also widely enjoyed by the people, as is the local alcohol called Chang. Music and dance. Ladakh has a rich cultural heritage, and that includes its folk music and dance. One of the most famous dance forms in Ladakh is Cham, or the mask dances, which often signify the victory of good over evil. The Cham is mostly performed by monks in monasteries, which is often accompanied by traditional Tibetan instruments. The other famous dances in Ladakh are Iharna, Jabro, Spav, Shundal, Chatsis, and Mentok Stanmo. The folk music of Ladakh, which is heavily influenced by Tibetan music, involves religious chanting. Chants are holy recitations of sacred texts, and an example of that is yang chanting, which is accompanied by the resonant drums and low sustained syllables. Sports. The traditional sport in Ladakh is archery, and archery festivals are held in several villages. It provides an occasion for the villagers to get together and enjoy themselves by traditional dancing, drinking, and gambling. Traditional musical instruments like surna and daman are played alongside the archery. Thank you.